Hello, everyone. Today I'm excited to show you how to use ChatGPT to start making money in 2024 with some creative and actionable strategies. This guide will walk you through 4 key methods that can help you tap into new income streams and unlock the potential of AI in the business world. And if you're looking for additional prompts or resources, be sure to check out the pinned comment below. All right, let's get started. One exciting way to make money with ChatGPT is by developing custom AI tools tailored to specific business needs. Imagine working with let's say, a real estate agency that wants to streamline property recommendations for their clients. Let's walk through an example to see how easily you can set this up. So for this, here's the prompt that I put together right here. So you can see right there. Now, once I put these together, let's send this off right now. So here is what ChatGPT had provided. Let's see. This is quite an informational breakdown of the AI tool that you're planning to design. So right here, virtual tour integration, agent dashboard. We'll look further into this once this process is finished, by the way. So let's see right here. And then here we go. So as you can see right here, ChatGPT has provided as you can see, it's kind of a framework for an AI tool that could be customized further. So, so with this, it has like a user input interface. Let's see, here are the preferences right there, the list right there, AI-powered recommendations. There's also personalized reports and notifications. Of course, every AI tool or any software program has a notification. There's the virtual tour integration. And there's the rest that I mentioned a bit, smart assistant integration, yada, yada, yada. There's also an example flow, step by step right here. So by offering tools like these to businesses, you can create new revenue streams while helping them solve real world problems efficiently. See? Look at that. Ready and very detailed. And yeah. Another powerful way to use ChatGPT for generating income is by automating client support services for small businesses. Many e-commerce stores, for example, need quick and efficient responses for frequently asked questions and basic troubleshooting. Now let's see how easy it is to set this up. With this prompt right here, let's paste it down in the input chat box. Here we go. So let's say ChatGPT, can you generate client support chatbot script for an e-commerce store that answers frequently asked questions and handles basic troubleshooting? So these are the ones that I just stated earlier. And now let's send this over. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT is now providing a detailed, yes, a chatbot script. So it's complete with responses to frequently asked questions and basic troubleshooting instructions. So here it is. Right here, for example, like I have payment issues, there's technical problem, there are different subtopics, like for instances, there's also a greeting or bid farewell message, or there's one here, can I speak to human? There's going up here like have payment issue. Yep, I was about to comment on that. It was scroll down real quick and here it is. Like for example, there are other instances or options for you on which trouble that need to be shooting or issue that needs help. Like, for example, there's declined payment or need help with a refund, or there are others. And right here, going up right there with a return. Where's my order? And yeah, and so, with a script like this, businesses can implement an automated support system that runs 24/7, improving customer satisfaction while cutting down on support costs. You can offer this service to various businesses, opening up another revenue stream for yourself. If you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys. One of the most impactful ways you can use ChatGPT to generate income is by creating personalized learning programs and online courses. Whether it's for digital marketing, fitness, or any specialized field, you can design tailored courses that cater to specific learner needs. Let's see how you can use ChatGPT to craft a, let's say, a digital marketing course for beginners. See right here, this is the how I crafted together my prompt right here. That's just as I asked right here for beginners. And here's another detail, complete with lessons, quizzes, and actionable tasks. Now, let's send this off. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided a full course outlined with, as you can see, lesson plans. There's also quizzes right here. Even though there are a few, we can ask ChatGPT to lengthen it or put in more details. There's also actionable tasks right there in each lesson right here. Yeah, these can make the students apply in real world situations. This kind of personalized learning program is highly valuable, and by offering custom courses like this, you can position yourself as an educational consultant or course creator. Sorry about that. So, yeah, this allows you to tap into a profitable market while helping others learn new skills. See? Right there, you can delve deeper into that, and quite helpful, huh? Another unique way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering virtual consultation services. Whether you're a career coach, business strategist, or health advisor, ChatGPT can help you create customized consultation scripts tailored to your client's needs. Now, let's walk through an example of how you can use ChatGPT. Now let's pop up a prompt right here as an example. Let's say I could use ChatGPT to, let's say, create a script for a career coaching session that helps clients identify their strengths and set achievable goals. Now, with these details crafted together in one prompt right here. It was pasted down in the input box. Let's send this over. Now, as you can see, here is what ChatGPT had come up with. Okay, the results are currently processing. So this is how ChatGPT had created a detailed script that walks through the entire consultation process. So right here, from assessing the client's strengths to providing clear actionable steps for career advancements. There's the closing remarks right here. And yeah, now with a script in hand, you can offer tailored advice and even scale your services by automating part of the process. And thus, it gives you another revenue stream. So let's walk through right here. Let's see, here's the greeting. There's assessing the client with the current situation. There's one, identifying skill and strengths. Here are script that needs from the coach. There's also clarifying career goals. Another one, actionable career advice. Then the wrap up and the closing. See? And that's about it for today's guide on how to make money with ChatGPT in 2024. I hope these strategies inspire you to explore new ways to leverage AI and open up exciting income opportunities.